On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don receive 2019 Hajj Report and e tok say government go throway body put on top their matter. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don salute Edo State Muslim Pilgrims Welfare Board (EMPWB) on top 2019 Hajj wey dem go and how e take go well. He say him administration go throway body put on top their matter well. Governor tok dis one when he receive 2019 Hajj report from Amir-Hajj and Onojie of Ewu, His Royal Highness Alhaji Razak Ojiefo III for Government House for Benin City. He say the success wey dey for 2019 Hajj happen because say na ogbonge pipo na im be the Muslim pipo leader, and he salute the good work wey dem dey do wey make 2019 Hajj go well, and say e never reach 90 days wey dem come and dem don already get report to come present give Edo State Government wey go encourage government say make dem do plenty things. Obaseki come thank God for the devil wey dey shele for Edo State and how e don take affect Edo State economy. He say as government, na their work to take care of all Edo pipo no matter the tribe, religion or political party wey dem dey. Governor still tok say him administration go chook eye put on top the board, as he say he wan know how many medical pipo follow dem go pilgrim for Saudi Arabia. Wey can see Governor Godwin Obaseki tok say him go bring the issue come for National Economic Council meeting, say make President Muhammadu Buhari try provide more planes wey go dey carry Naija Muslims dey come from Holy Lands dey come back to Naija when dem don do finish. The leader of the team wey still be 2019 Amir-Hajj, His Royal Highness Alhaji Razak Ojiefo III, come thank governor for him sweet mind wey he get for Muslim for the state, and he salute governor on top say he don build their Hajj camp for Edo State finish. His Royal Highness Ojiefo III come still happy say na 136 pilgrims na travel from Edo State go Holy Land for Mecca, and all of them come back together, nothing happen. He say National Hajj Commission visit Edo State pilgrims for their camp and dem salute the pilgrims wey dem take behave theirself well. Na here we see this ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Obaseki don receive 2019 Hajj report and he tell dem say Edo State government go put body for their matter. Make una know say this ogbonge update wey come meet una so na T-Live Media na im carry am come give una. And to get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T-Live Media TV. Comment, like and follow us on top Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T-Live Media. Una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.